change 0.4 dot to a fraction. This is what's known as a recurring fraction, because you note that 0.4 with a dot on the top means 0.444 forevermore. That's what those three dots mean. So this is called a recurring decimal. Now it's possible to change all recurring decimals into a fraction, and this is how you proceed. You let x be equal to 0.44444, and then you multiply x by 10, and then you'll see why we've done this. That makes 10x will be 4.44444. Now what you do is you do 10x minus x, and that gives you 4 minus 0, which is 4, 4 minus 4, which is 0, 4 minus 4, which is 0, 4 minus 4, which is 0. So all these 4's will disappear. Now 10x minus x is 9x, so you're going to get 9x is equal to 4. We wanted to find what x is, so x will be 4 divided by 9. Therefore 0.4 recurring is equal to 4/9. This has been a video to show you how to change a simple recurring decimal to a fraction. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.